Okay, day 32. Everybody say hi.
Hi. Hi. Everyone say hi.
We've got a whole brood traveling north. Of course, we've been blessed with some amazing Appalachian Trail weather. Had a good stay at La Quinta Inn. Got an insight into the pageant scene because there was a pageant photo shoot going on there yesterday, which everyone really appreciated. Insert sarcastic eye roll. Had a good dinner at Cracker Barrel. And now we are headed north in the rain. So, what else is new? As they say, no rain, no Maine. Another adventurous day out here on the Appalachian Trail. There is a small creek behind me on the map, which is swollen into a very large river. Right here is supposed to be a bridge to cross, which has now been washed out. We also tried to go up there where there's supposed to be a road, and the water is over top of the road. So you purists are going to be upset, but we are blazing our own trail around this farm and then going to get up to the hostel where we need to be for the evening. So we'll do a little bit of road walking, missing a little bit AT, but definitely not drowning any small children, which is a admirable goal for the day. So we'll see you soon.